This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting the original, duplicate the clip, and label it original so you can always revert. Next, scrub to a low-motion frame and capture a 1-2 second noise sample to build a noise profile, because the algorithm learns the noise pattern. Once done, apply temporal denoising first to average out noise across frames, then add a spatial pass to smooth remaining speckle. This order reduces flicker while preserving motion clarity. You now refine settings, increase temporal strength slowly, and use 0.5 frame lookahead to stabilize static areas without creating ghosting around motion. Then reduce spatial radius and boost detail preservation so textures like skin and fabric stay natural. Aggressive smoothing loses detail. If subjects move, paint masks to exclude them from heavy denoise. This protects edges and prevents melting. Make small changes, render short previews, and compare before/after to judge trade-offs between noise reduction and sharpness. You wrap up by adding a gentle sharpening pass and then perform color correction. Denoising often softens contrast and microdetail, so sharpening restores perceived crispness. Next, export using a high bitrate and chroma sampling like 4:2:2 or 4:4:4 to preserve recovered detail. If you see smeared edges or blotchy patches, lower the denoise strength, refine masks around problem areas, or switch to a patch-based repair tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.